Are you looking for a way to monetize your blog or website? Amazon affiliate marketing is an excellent option. This program allows you to earn a commission from linking products on Amazon.com and its affiliated sites. With Amazon's vast selection of products, there are endless opportunities to generate income as an affiliate marketer. It's simple to get started. Hit the bell icon and let the Amazon affiliate marketing take you to the next level. Start earning today. What is Amazon affiliate marketing? Amazon affiliate marketing is an easy and cost-effective way to monetize your website or blog. Through Amazon affiliate program, you can earn commission on the sales of products you refer to customers to purchase from Amazon. By promoting and sharing the wide selection of products available through Amazon, you have the potential to generate income for yourself and your business. It's a great way to make money online and can be incredibly rewarding if you are successful. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today with Amazon affiliate marketing. Why Amazon affiliate marketing? Are you looking to make money online with ease? Amazon affiliate marketing is an excellent way to do so. Here's why. 1. It's straightforward. With Amazon's world-class products, you don't need special skills or knowledge to get started. You must sign up for their program, choose the products you want to promote, and earn a commission. 2. It's free to join. There are no sign-up fees or other costs associated with joining the Amazon affiliate program, so it won't cost you anything to get started. 3. You can earn passive income. As an Amazon affiliate, you're going to make a commission from every sale you refer. This means that your income can grow over time with minimal effort. 4. You get access to Amazon's extensive product range. Amazon has a vast selection of products, so it's easy to find something that fits your niche and interests. 5. You can promote products in any way you want. Amazon allows you to promote its products in any way you see fit. So you can create your unique campaigns and strategies to maximize your income potential. How do you earn money from Amazon affiliate marketing? It's easier than you think. Amazon affiliate marketing allows individuals and businesses to promote products from the world's largest e-commerce store and earn a commission for every sale. With millions of products to choose from, it's easy to find something that aligns with your interests or business goals. Plus, Amazon pays generous commissions, up to 10% in many cases, so you can make a substantial income from your affiliate marketing efforts. Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to get business noticed, increase traffic, and make extra money. It's a win-win situation. You promote Amazon products and earn commissions while providing helpful information to customers. You can see results in no time with the right strategy and effort. So go ahead and subscribe, share your experiences, and give us feedback. We're here to help you make the most of your Amazon affiliate marketing journey. Thank you for being part of it. Happy promoting!